Today we will discuss about the new topic quadratic expressions and theory of equations. In JEE Mains point of view, there is the most important the quadratic equations and the theory of equations is divided into two areas. So one area is the modulus functions and second area is Newton's theorem. Bit is compulsory in JEE Mains point of view. See the video, we can understanding these problems. We got one question. JEE Mains 2025. So one bit. The sum of the squares of the roots of the equation x square plus modulus of 2x minus 3 minus 4 equals to 0. Here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2. Case 1, x less than 3 by 2. Case 2, x less than or equal to 3 by 2. Then two cases are identify the two cases, then problem be solved easily. The solution, modulus of 2x minus 3 means, so 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3 by 2 అవుతుంది. Now x greater than or equal to 3 by 2. So x is positive, then mod x is equal to x కాబట్టి, so x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Now x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. We know that minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root over 4 plus 28 by 2. Now here root 32, now that is 4 root 2. Now here 2 is common, 2 cancel, minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. So these are the two roots. One is minus 1 minus 2 root 2, here minus 1 plus 2 root 2. Now x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2, this is positive value. This is the positive value only for 2 root 2 minus 1 is the positive value. So this is the one solution. Now another solution, so mod x, so x less than or equal to 3 by 2, so mod x is equal to minus x. Now x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0, that is x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that x is equal to 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 4 by 2, that is simplify 1 plus or minus 2 root. Here x less than 3 by 2, that means so 1 minus root 2 is the so acceptance. So here finally, so two roots are there. One is 2 root 2 minus 1, another one is 1 minus 2 root 2. The sum of the squares means 1 minus root 2 whole square plus 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 6 into 2 minus root 2 is the answer. JEE Mains 2025. Same also, the sum of the squares of the roots of the modulus of x plus 2 whole square plus modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 0, and the squares of the roots of the x square minus 2 modulus of x minus 3 minus 5 equals to 0 is. Here x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to, case 1, x less than 2, x greater than or equal to 2. And x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Case 2, x less than 3, x greater than or equal to 3. These are the two cases. The solution, modulus of x minus 2 whole square plus 2 modulus of x minus 2 minus modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, so these are the factors, find out the factors. Then modulus of x minus 2 plus 2 into modulus of x minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So one is modulus of x minus 2 equals to 1. Now x is equal to 2 plus or minus 1, that is 3 comma 1. Sum of the squares of the roots of the equation 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1, that is 10. So 10 is there. So second equation, x square minus 2 modulus of x minus 3 minus 5 equals 0. Now case 1, x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, so mod of x minus 3 is positive, so x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So here x greater than equal to 3, so x not equal, x belongs to pi. So second case, x minus 3 less than 0. Less than 0 means mod x is mod of x equal to minus x. That is equal to x square plus 2x minus 11 is equal to 0. Find out the delta, so real and distant roots. Now f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 11. F of 3 greater than 0 minus b by 2a. So minus 1 less than 3. Both roots less than 3. Both roots acceptance. Sum of the squares of the roots equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 square means 4. Alpha beta is equal to minus 11 into minus 2. So plus 22. 4 plus 22 is equal to 26. Final sum. So the sum of the square roots is 10. The sum of the square is 26. Final 10 plus 26 is equal to 36. So one more sum, 2025. The number of real roots of the equation x modulus of x minus 2 plus 3 modulus of x minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 2, 3. Case 1, x less than 2. Case 2, 2 less than equal to x less than 3. Case 3, x greater than equal to 3. These three case statements identified and easily can solve the. So the solution, first case 1. So first case 1, modulus of x minus 2 less than 0. So x less than 2. So x less than 2 means, so mod x is equal to minus x. So finally minus x square plus 2x minus 3x plus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Now x square plus x minus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 41 by 2. The solution says x is equal to minus 1 plus root 41 by 2 minus 1 minus root 41 by 2. Now second case, 2 less than equal to x less than 3. Now x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. So delta less than 0 for all x belongs to R. So third case, delta x greater than equal to 3. So mod x is equal to x kabatti x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 8 equal to 0. The factors are minus 1 plus or minus root 32 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root 32 by 2, comma minus 1 minus root 32 by 2. So here how many real roots? Only one real root is there. So 2024, one more question. The number of distinct real roots of the equation modulus of x plus 1 modulus of x plus 3 minus 4 modulus of x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. Here this is the minus 1, is there, this is the, so minus 3, here this is the minus 2, here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So these are the three values. The first case, so x less than minus 3, x less than minus 3. Second case, so minus 3 less than equal to x less than minus 2. So third case, so minus 2 less than equal to x less than minus 1. So fourth case x greater than minus 1. The four cases. Now here first case x less than equal to minus 3. That means x plus 1, x plus 3 plus 4 into x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. Now simplification, x square plus 4x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then x plus 4 whole square equal to 0. X equal to minus 4. So this is the one value. So this is the exist the value. So next one, second case, minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to minus 2. That means minus of x square minus 4x minus 3 plus 4x plus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. Now x square minus x square plus 10 equal to 0, x equal to plus or minus root 10. So next case, minus 2 less than or equal to x less than minus 1. Then minus x square minus 4x minus 3 minus 4x minus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. X square minus 8x minus 6 is equal to 0. And x square plus 8x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 plus or minus 2 root 10 by 2. That means minus 4 plus or minus root 10. So this is the another value. Now finally x greater than or equal to minus 1. So x square plus 4x plus 3 minus 4x minus 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. The number of solutions is only 2 solutions in this question. So JEE Mains 2024, the number of real solutions of the equation x modulus of x plus 5 plus 2 modulus of x plus 7 minus 2 equal to 0. In this value x is equal to minus 5, in this value x is equal to minus 7. So minus 7 minus 5 is the roots. Here first case, x less than minus 7. So second case, minus 7 less than or equal to x less than minus 5. Third case, x less than or greater than or equal to minus 5. So these are the 3 cases. Case 1, x less than minus 7. That means minus x square minus 5x minus 2x minus 14 minus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 7x plus 16 is equal to 0. Delta, so less than 0. So that is complex roots. That is complex roots. So for all x belongs to R, there is no real numbers, there is no solutions. Now second case, minus 7 less than or equal to x less than minus 5. That means, so minus x square minus 5x plus 2x plus 14 minus 2 equal to 0. So minus x square minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root over 9 plus 48 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 57 by 2. Now x is equal to minus 3 minus root 57 by 2 minus 3 plus root 57 by 2. So one is rejected, one is the real roots. So now finally x greater than or equal to minus 5. Now x square plus 3x, 5x plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So these are the factors, x plus 3, x plus 4. Now x is equal to minus 3, minus 4. Here 2, here 1. So these are the number of solutions is equal to 3 solutions. So one more JEE Mains 2024 question. The number of real solutions of the equation x into x square plus 3 modulus of x plus 5 modulus of x minus 1 plus 6 modulus of x minus 2 equal to 0. So here this is x and where x is equal to 0. So here 1, so here 2. So these are the 3 values. So case 1. So here case 1, so x less than 0. So x less than 0. Case 2, so 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Now case 3, so 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. So case 4, x greater than or equal to 2. So these are the 4 cases. These 4 cases, now there is no satisfying the equation, put x is equal to 0. So then satisfying the equation, the sum of the all positive terms can never be 0. So x square plus 3 modulus of x plus 5 modulus of x minus 1 plus 6 modulus of x minus 2 can be never be 0 for any values of x. So there is no value of x which satisfies the above equation. Hence the only solution now x is equal to 0. The number of solutions is 1. 2023 JEE Mains, so the number of real solutions of the equation x modulus of x minus 5 modulus of x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So where is here x is equal to 0 and minus 2. So the values is here, this values is minus 2, 0. So first case, x less than minus 2. Second case, minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 0. So third case, x greater than or equal to 0. So these are the three cases. So this is the equation. Now the case is x less than or equal to minus 2. That means minus x square plus 5x plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus minus 16 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here x is equal to 5 plus or minus root 89 by 2. So one value is x is equal to 5 minus root 89 by 2 and 5 plus root 80 by 2 is the two factors. So these are the satisfied, this is not satisfied. Now x less than minus 2. So one solution is possible here. So next one, minus 2 less than x less than 0. So this case, minus x square minus 5x minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here x plus 1, x plus 4 is the factors. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 4. So in this range, x is equal to minus 1 is the, so lies between. So x is equal to minus 4 does not exist. So now next x greater than or equal to 0. So x square minus 5x minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 5 plus or minus root 41 by 2. So x is equal to 5 minus root 41 by 2. So x is positive. Positive value is satisfying. This is not satisfying. Now here the sum of all cases we get solutions is 1, another one is 2, here this is 3. So 3 solutions are there. Newton's identity for quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to with the roots alpha comma beta. So Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Asn plus bsn minus 1 plus csn minus 2 is equal to 0. Tsn is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. Atn plus btn minus 1 plus ctn minus 2 is equal to 0. But I am using this formula. Asn plus 2 plus bsn plus 1 csn is equal to 0. Quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta. The equation is JEE Maths 2024 Newton's identity bit from 1 bit. Let alpha beta are the roots of x square plus root 2x minus 8 equal to 0. If un is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, then u10 plus root 2 u9 by 2 u8 is equals to, here un is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So the question, so u10 means alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 plus root 2 u9 means alpha power 9 plus beta power 9 by 2 u8 means alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now here alpha power 10 is common. Alpha power 10 in alpha power 8 is common. So here alpha square. Here alpha power 9 root 2, then alpha power 8 is common, root 2 alpha. Here beta power 8 is common. Now beta square. Here these two things root 2 beta by, so denominator 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now what is the equation? Here x square plus root 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So alpha is the root. Now alpha square plus root 2 alpha is equal to 8. Beta also root 2. Beta square plus root 2 beta is equal to 8. So this value 8, this value 8. So here 8 alpha power 8 plus 8 beta power 8 by 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now 8 is common. Now alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 by here same 2 into alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Both gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 fours. The answer is 4. This is the very easy from Newton identity. Newton identity, so Sn plus 2 plus A into Sn plus 2 plus B into Sn plus 1 plus so C into Sn is equal to 0. So that means we know that equation x square plus root 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Substitute these value, then x square means Sn plus 2, so coefficient is 1. Now here n is equal to 8. Now here S10 plus root 2 S9 is equal to so 8 S8. Now here S10 plus root 2 S9 by 2 S8, that is equal to 4. Simple. Here JEE Mains 2025, same question. Let alpha beta be the roots of the x square plus root 3x minus 16 is equal to 0. And gamma and beta are the roots of the x square plus root x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, and Qn is equal to gamma power n plus delta power n. Now P25 plus root 3 P24 by 2 P23 plus Q25 minus Q23 by Q24 is equals to. The solution, x square plus root 3x minus 16 is equal to 0. So these are the alpha comma beta are the roots. So we know that Newton's identity, so Pn plus root 2 Pn minus 1 minus 16 Pn is Pn minus 2 equal to 0. Now P25, so root 2 P24 minus 16 P23 is equal to 0. Now here P25 plus root 3 P24 by 2 P23 is equal to, so is 80. That the Newton identity. Now so Q25 plus 3 Q23 minus Q24 is equal to 0. Now Q25 minus Q24 by, so Q24 is equal to minus 3. Now this value is minus 3. So in according to problem, P25 plus root 3 P24 by, so plus Q35 minus Q23 by Q24 is equal to, so here this is 8, this is minus 3, 8 minus 3, the value is 5. Hence 2025, one more bit. Let Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. N belongs to n. P10 is equal to 123. P9 is equal to 76. P8 is equal to 47. P1 is equal to 1. Then quadratic equation having the roots 1 by alpha and 1 by beta is. Now here given, so P10 is equal to 123. Then means, so we know that Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So P10 is equal to alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 is equal to 123. P1 is equal to, means alpha plus beta is equal to 1. P9 is equal to 76. Then alpha power 9 plus beta power 9 is equal to 76. P8 is equal to 47. So alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 is equal to 47. Here 123 is equal to, so 76 plus 47. That means P10 is equal to P9 plus P8. So these are the conditions. So we know that Newton's ID Sn plus 2 minus Sn plus 1 minus Sn is equal to 0, where n is equal to 8. So S10 minus S9 minus S8 is equal to 0. So S10 is equal to S9 plus S8. So in this equation, these are the same. Then what is the quadratic equation? Here x square, here x, here constant. So x square minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x square is equal to x plus 1. Now x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the quadratic equation. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to 1. So what is the given? So what is the question? So 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are the roots of the equation. So sum of the roots 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. The LCM is alpha beta, alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Here 1. What is alpha beta? Here minus 1. That is minus 1. So product of roots 1 by alpha beta. So 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So alpha beta is minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. So what is the equation? So sum of the roots is minus 1. Finally x square. So minus 1 is the alpha plus beta. That is means plus x. Here minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now JEE Maths 2024, one more question. Let alpha comma beta, alpha greater than beta, be the roots of the equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Let Pn is equal alpha power n minus beta power n, and another one n belongs to n. Then so 11 root 3 minus 10 root 2 P10 plus 11 root 2 plus 10 P11 minus 11 P2 is equals to. Now the first equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0, where alpha beta are the root. Solution. So equation x square minus root 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0, alpha beta are the roots. Now according to Newton identity, then Pn plus 2 minus root 2 Pn plus 1 minus root 3 Pn is equal to 0. This is the first one. Put n is equal to 10. So P12 minus root 2 P11 minus root 3 P10 is equal to 0. This is the first one. Same again, n is equal to 9. So P11 minus root 2 P10 minus root 3 P9 is equal to 0. So this is the one. Here in this question, 11 root 3 minus 10 root 2 P10 plus 11 root 2 plus 10 into P11 minus 11 P12 is equal to 0. Here 11 is common. Now 11 is common, then here 11 is common, here root 3, here P10 now. So root 3 P10. Next, here 11 is common, root 2 P11 plus root 2 P11. Here minus P12. So this is the 11 is common. Now again 10 is, so minus 10 is common. So here minus is there. So root 2 P10. Then 10 is common. Here minus P11. So this is the common 11 and 10. So here 11 is common. Here 10 is common. So here 11 into this value is, so this is the same value. So root 3 P10 is there, minus root 2 P11 is there, minus P11 P12. So this is P12 is there. This value is 0. So 11 into 0, 0. Next, minus 10 is common. That means here minus 10 into root 2. So root 2 P10 now. So minus P11. That means, so this value is minus root 3 P9. So minus 10 into minus root 3 P9, minus into minus plus 10 root 3 P9 is the answer. JEE Maths 2024, one more bit. Let alpha beta roots of the equation x square plus 2 root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 and 1 by 10 alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. This is one root, this is one root. Now we know that formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x, so plus product of roots in equal to 0. So these are the sum is 1 there and the product of this one. So this is the one question. Now this equation is x square plus root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 root 2. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Sum of the roots, so product of the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Then alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 formula is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square plus beta square. Again alpha square plus beta square formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. What is alpha plus beta? 2 root 2 whole square means 8. So minus alpha beta means minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 8 plus 2 whole square, minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 square means 100. So minus 1 square, 1 into 2, 2. This value is 98. This is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Again alpha power 6 plus beta power 6. That means alpha cube plus beta cube whole square minus, so 2 alpha cube beta cube. Again alpha cube plus beta cube formula means alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole cube. Alpha plus beta is minus 2 root 2. So alpha plus beta whole square means 8. So this is minus 1. 8 plus 3 whole square. So this is minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So here 8 plus 3 whole square, 11 square, so 121. So minus 2 root 2 whole square means 8. That is 970. So 1 by 10 alpha power 6 plus beta power 6 means so 97. Now here, so we know that equation x square minus sum of the roots 90. So here 98 plus 97 into x plus 98 into 97 is equal to 0. Now x square minus this adds to minus 195x plus, so these are the multiply, so 9506 is equal to 0. Finally x square minus 195x plus 9506 is equal to 0. JEE Mains 2023. So one bit, let alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. X square plus root 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 equals to. So find the value of alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10. We know that an is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 means a23 plus a14 by a15 plus a10. So we know that equation x square plus root 6x plus 3 equal to 0 where alpha comma beta are the roots. Now x is equal to here minus b plus or minus root or b square minus 4ac by 2a means minus root 6 plus or minus root minus 6 by 2. Now here x is equal to root 6 common is there. So minus 1 plus or minus I root 2 by 2. So there are two roots. Now x is equal to root 3 minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So one root alpha is equal to, so polar form alpha is equal to root 3 e power iota 3 pi by 4 and beta is equal to root 3 e power iota 5 pi by 4. This root 3 power 23 e power iota 23 into 3 pi by 4 plus e power iota 23 into 5 pi by 4 plus root 3 whole power 14 is common. So now e power iota 14 into 3 pi by 4 plus e power iota 14 into 5 pi by 4. Now by here also say. Now here 3 power root 3 power 14 is common. Here denominator root 3 power 10 is common. So root 3 power 10, so root 3 power 10 cancel అయితే root 3 power 4 మిగులుతుంది. So now remaining root 3 power 9, so here is same, here common, so here is same, so denominator also same. So root 3 power 4 means 9. So e power iota 23 into 3 pi by 4 means 1 plus I by root 2. Now e power iota 23 into 5 pi by 4 means minus 1 plus I by root 2. So these are the values 0, this value is 0. Now root 3 power 5, so 1 plus I minus 1 plus I by root 2 plus here also 0. So here 9 into root 3 power 9, so this is simplification. So here 1 minus 1 is gets cancelled, 2I by root 2. So root 3 power 5, so here 1 gets cancelled, so 2I by root 3. Both this gets cancelled. So here both this gets cancelled. Root 3 power 9 by root 3 power 5, root 3 power 4. That this is also 9. 9 into 9, the answer is 81. Remains 2023. So one more bit. So if alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of a power 21 plus b power 21 plus a power 17 plus b power 17 by a power 19 plus b power 19 is equals to. Now solution, since this equation x square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, a and b are the roots. So now substitute a square minus 7a minus 1 is equal to 0, a square minus 1 is equal to 7a, and squaring on both sides, a power 4 plus 1 minus 2a square is equal to 49a square, a power 4 plus 1 is equal to, so 51a square. So this is the a is the root, and b also root means b power 4 plus 1 is equal to 51b square. Now, so according to sum, a power 21 plus b power 21 plus a power 17 plus b power 17 by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now a power 17 is common, a power 4 plus 1, b power 17 is common, b power 4 plus 1 by a power 10 plus a power 19 plus b power 19. So a power 4 plus 1 means 51a square. So 51a square into a power 17 means 51a power 19 plus 51b power 19 by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now 51 is common. A power 19 plus b power 19 by, so a power 19 plus b power 19. Both gets cancelled. The answer is 51. One more JEE Mains 2023 bit. Let a belongs to R and alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 60 power 1 by 4x plus a equal to 0. If alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to minus 30, then product of all possible values of alpha is. Now alpha beta are the roots of the equation. This one, x square minus 60 power 1 by 4x plus a equal to 0. So sum of the roots is equal to minus 60 power 1 by 4. Product of roots is equal to a. Now alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is minus 30. That means alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square equal to minus 30. Again alpha square plus beta square formula, this one. So this value alpha plus beta means minus 60 whole power minus 1 by 4. That means 60 power 1 by 2 minus 2 alpha beta is equal to a minus 2a whole square minus 2a square is minus equal to minus 30. Squaring on both sides, 60 whole power 1 by 2 whole square means 60, 2a whole square means 4a square minus 4a into 60 into 60 power 1 by 2 minus 2a square is equal to 30. Now 2a square, here 2a square, next 4a into 60 power 1 by 2 plus here 90 is equal to 0. Now 2 is common, a square minus 2 60 power 1 by 2 into a plus 45 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now product of roots equals to 45. The answer is 45. JEE Mains 2022, one more bit. Let alpha greater than beta be the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0, and Pn is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n belongs to n. Then P15 P16 minus P14 P16 minus P square 15 plus P14 P15 by P13 P14 is equals to. Now this is the solution. So you see the solution and write the sum. Finally the answer is 16. 2024, one more sum. Alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and Sn is equal to 2023 alpha power n plus 2024 beta power n, then is. So alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here alpha square minus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1. Now here beta square is equal to beta plus 1. Now Sn is equal to 2023 alpha power n plus 2024 beta power n. Here means Sn minus 1 Sn minus 2 means 2023 alpha power n minus 1 plus 2024 beta power n minus 1 plus 2023 alpha power 2023 alpha power n minus 2 plus 2024 beta power n minus 2. Now 2023 alpha power n minus 2 is common, 1 plus alpha. 2024 beta power n minus 1 is common, 1 plus beta. Now here 2023 alpha power n minus 2, this is alpha square. So 2024 this is beta square. Now 2023 alpha power n plus 2023 beta power n. That means Sn minus 1 Sn plus 2 is equal to Sn. So put n is equal to 12, S12 equal to S10 plus S11. This is the answer. JEE Mains 2023, one more bit. Alpha beta roots of the equation x square minus root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Then alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 is equals to equation. So to convert to the polar forms, so substitute alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 to simplify. So the answer is minus 128. So this is the same model. So do the homework. Now JEE Mains 2022, let alpha beta are the roots of the equation 1 plus x square plus x power 4 equal to 0. Then the value of alpha power 1011 plus beta alpha power 1000 2022 minus alpha power 3033 is equals to. So given equation x power 4 plus x square plus 1 equals to 0. So split the two equations, a square plus a plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1 equal to 0, where x square plus x plus 1, the roots is omega plus omega square. So x square minus x plus 1 minus omega square roots. Finally x is equal to plus or minus omega square is the roots. Now alpha power 1011 plus alpha power 2022 minus alpha power 3033. So alpha means omega power 1011 means 1, omega power 2022 means also 1, minus omega power 3033 means minus 1. So here both cuts, that is the value is 1.